I gotta wake up every day of my life knowing that I took the most important person in my life away, out of here. I was trained to save lives, not take them.
A former Appleton firefighter on trial for the murder of his wife and the attempted murder of his mother-in-law took the stand today in his own defense.
Prosecutors have been arguing that last year Scott Schmidt gunned down Kelly Wing Schmidt and wounded his mother-in-law, Barbara Wing, in their Grand Chute driveway. Today, Schmidt, who did not deny the shooting, told his story in court. Fox 11's Lindsay Veramis has more tonight.
The story people have waited to hear came with emotion from the only person who could tell it.
I grabbed her head because she was bleeding from her head. And I couldn't stop it or slow it down.
Scott Schmidt doesn't deny shooting and killing his estranged wife Kelly Wing Schmidt or wounding his mother-in-law, but testified in court he didn't want them to die.
No, I did not.
Did you intend to kill your mother-in-law?
No, I did not, Barb.
His attorney is seeking lesser charges of reckless homicide. During the lengthy testimony, Schmidt talked about his troubled marriage and efforts to win Kelly back.
I wanted to talk to her and work this out.
Instead, Schmidt says the day went horribly wrong.
I remember pushing the door open, and I remember hearing a shot. But I don't remember shooting her.
Schmidt described frantic moments as Kelly lay wounded.
I told her I was sorry and I didn't want to live without her.
He says he put the gun to his head, but Kelly told him to stop.
Don't do it, the kids need you.
Schmidt says Kelly told him she'd always love him, then asked if he'd called an ambulance.
She asked me whose hands were over her again. And I said it was the angels coming to take her home.
While Schmidt says he didn't want his wife to die, prosecutors argue the act was intentional. They will get the chance to question Schmidt on Wednesday. In Appleton, Lindsay Veramis, Fox 11 News.
Depending on the length of remaining testimony, closing arguments, and jury instructions, the case could go to the jury by tomorrow afternoon.